Hi, and welcome back to Northern Waters Cleansing Co.'s YouTube channel. Today's video is 36 pounds of spiced cranberry cold processed soap. This soap is part of the large order that I received earlier this year, and ultimately this slab of 36 pounds is going to create about 124 bars of soap for me. I am actually doing 5 of these 36 pound pours, but you'll see why, because the design I'm doing doesn't necessarily lend itself to a sort of block pour kind of format. So I'm doing the slab mold format, and I think the resulting soap is beautiful. This spiced cranberry fragrance is my #1 seller in terms of cold processed soap, and I can see why. The fragrance is comforting. It always kind of reminds me of Christmas, and you know, it just makes me feel good any time of year though. This is a soap that I use all year round, and I use it head to toe. So I wash my hair with this soap, as well as the rest of my body. So thanks so much for watching my videos. Please remember that if you enjoy my videos, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.